Hello everyone, a new IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is IndiaShelter Finance Corporation. Incorporated in 1998, IndiaShelter Finance Corporation Limited is engaged in the business of housing finance. The company provides loans for house construction, extension, renovation, and purchase of new homes or plots. The company also offers loans against property, LAP. The company offers loan amounts between Rs. 5 lakhs to Rs. 50 lakhs for a tenure of up to 20 years. As of the 30th of November 2023, IndiaShelter has disbursed over Rs. 5,500 crores in loans, helping families own, extend, or improve their homes. The company has a network of 183 branches spread across 15 states with a presence in Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Gujarat. The core strengths of the company are as follows. One of the fastest growing housing finance companies in India, with a granular, retail-focused portfolio that generates high yields. The company's distribution network is both physical and digital and is spread across various cities, including Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. The company utilizes an in-house origination model to ensure efficient and seamless operations across various key functions. IPO opens for subscription on the 13th of December. Offer will close on the 15th of December. Allotment will be on the 18th of December. Listing will be on the 20th of December. Minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 14,790 rupees. Price band is 469 rupees to 493 rupees per share. Lot size is 30 shares. Total issue size is 1,200 crore rupees. Fresh issue is 800 crore rupees. Offer for sale is of 400 crore rupees. Key performance indicator are: price to earning 27.77, return on equity 13.4%, debt to equity ratio is 2.12, earning per share is 17 rupees and 47 paise, return on net worth 13 rupees.4%. The object of the issue are to meet future capital requirements towards onward lending, general corporate expenses. Ahead of the issue opening, the company's shares are commanding a healthy premium of 90 rupees in the unlisted market. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.